What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to a new vlog, another day in the life video where I'm just going to be bringing you guys along my day. Why does it look like it's snowing outside? What in the world? Like, this weather is just jacked up. We have good weather where it's 75 degrees outside, then it's 55 degrees outside, and now we have weather where it's snowing. Like, we have snow flurries coming down as I look outside the window. But anyways, that's off topic. Welcome to another day in the life. Don't really have much planned today. I do have the package orders today. I started doing it last night, didn't finish, then I woke up this morning, had more orders. So thank you guys to everyone who have been to my website and made a purchase. I really do appreciate it. You guys, the lash style Faith is out of stock, sold out. I don't have any more of that style of lash, and I am so thankful for you guys. You got amazing. So I do still have that discount code, 40% off. Check out the description box for, you know, my website and the code. Skypod. Hey. It's 11:30 in the morning and we're getting ready to make us some cookies. Make some cookies. Y'all saw in the previous vlog where I had fed Skylar Summer some sweet potatoes, and she's been loving it. So we've tried sweet potatoes and green beans, and like, I tried green beans last night, and y'all, she was like, she really did not like the taste of that, but she was eating green beans and rice cereal, so I was kind of like mixing the two together, and she was like eating it when I would mix it with a little bit with the rice cereal. So basically what I do is each time I introduce like a new food, I feed her that for a couple days, and I wait a few days before I introduce her to anything else new. So here is Summer's little sippy cup, and y'all, she loves this little sippy cup. She loves to drink her little water, and she be drinking this water like we are getting ready to have a drought. Like, water is getting ready to go out of style. Like, she be tearing this joint down, okay? But I love this cup right here in particular. I went to Myers and I was looking at all the cups, and I know it's Skylar. I had to try out a few cups before she really found the one that she liked and liked the nipple on it. But I like this one in particular because of, you know, the handles on it. But also it comes with this nipple, and it also comes with this style of nipple, and I really felt like she was going to like this one right here. But just in case she didn't like it, it also came with a different style, which I thought was really good because you can kind of like save some money in the long run, you know, instead of buying two different cups with two different nipple tops. They have this one where you get two different tops, which I don't know, maybe a lot of different brands do that. But that was the only cup that I saw there at Myers that had that, and I really like it. So it looks like this. I think, yeah, I was taking pictures of Skylar the other day in her little sparkling pink outfits. If you guys didn't see those on Instagram, go check them out. My Instagram would be like right here. But as I was looking back through the pictures, I'm like, oh my gosh, my baby, my little Sky Pie is looking like a big girl. It's so crazy. Time goes by so fast. Enjoy your babies, enjoy every moment, cherish these moments. Oh my gosh, like, time is just really moving. Even with Summer, it's like I just had her, and now that girl wants to be sitting up and holding her head up and stuff. Like, what in the world? Slow down. So yeah, sparkling pink is where these little outfits came from. So I will have a link down below in the description box, so check them out. They really have cute clothes and affordable for little girls, and they have mommy and me clothes. So yeah, check them out. If you've never been to their website, you are going to be in love. Trust me. So me and Skylar are getting ready to race our cars. Skylar has, what color is your car?
Red.
And mommy's car is what color? Yellow. So who's gonna win? No, mommy's gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win.
I'm
gonna beat you, girl. You ready to race? The race is on. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh snap, you beat me. I know, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. How are you doing that for real? You really beat me. Like, what in the world? I'm gonna beat you. The red car must be faster. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! I beat you. I beat you. Yes, I can. I just beat you. 1, 2, 3.
And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me
Man, it is 5:04. The post office closed at 5:30. I have been packaging orders, like trying to get everything sorted out since I talked to y'all earlier, and that was like what, 12 o'clock. So of course I've been trying to do it on and off, and that's what kind of took so long also. But y'all came through with like the orders. Like, thank y'all so much. The Lash Style Faith is completely sold out. Paris, no, is it Paris? Yeah, Paris and Sky running low. I think it's only probably like 2 or 3 of each of those left. We still have Luscious and brow bombs. We have the shade Ebony, but soft brown sold out. Medium brown, I think it's like 1 or 2 of those left. And of course we got like the eyebrow, the brushes and the what is it, the eyelash applicators. Let me see if I can find one. These right here, the eyelash tweezers, they will make your life so much easier, especially if you are new to applying lashes. So everybody who orders today, this morning, I dropped you a pair of eyelash applicators in there. So I hope you guys enjoy your products. Thank you guys so much for your orders. Like Sean came here and he had so many shoe orders, people that bought shoes, so I had to print out the labels for him. So yeah, we're finally done and he is headed to the post office to drop everything off. So yeah, I don't know when I'll be restocking on any lashes. I don't know if I'm going to be getting the same lash styles back in, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. But I'm tired, so I'm getting ready to go lay down. Summer just fell asleep in my arms. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go lay down, chill, and watch The Oval, y'all. The Oval is so good.
What do you like? Here's my comb.
I love your comb. Where you get it from?
My room.
Oh, that's so cool, Sky. Show them your comb. They're gonna love it. They're gonna love your comb. So yeah, I'm just getting ready to chill, watch me a show. Like I was saying, Sisters is good, the Tyler Perry show. If y'all haven't seen that, you need to watch it. I wish I wouldn't have watched it so fast, because now I don't have any more episodes to watch. I gotta wait for the next season. And then The Oval, that's really good. I just started watching it last night, and I think I'm on like episode 5. So yeah, and a lot of people recommended that I watch Little Fires Everywhere, and that's on Hulu. So we don't have Hulu anymore, and I don't know if I want to purchase Hulu anymore. Well, Sean had it. I don't know, but we just got a Fire Stick. We just got one jailbroken, so I'm gonna see if Little Fires Everywhere is on there, and if it is, I'm gonna start that. Also, my sister was telling me that Insecure is a good show, so yeah, I got some shows lined up to watch. Y'all let me know down below if you guys like Insecure or Little Fires Everywhere. So after I finish the Oval, which I'll probably be done with that probably by what, today is Friday, so I'll probably be done Monday or Tuesday. So I'm gonna be starting the either Little Fires Everywhere or Insecure. So tell me which one I should start first. No, I told y'all I was gonna watch the Oval, so I'm watching it right here on my phone, but I had to pause it real quick. Y'all, they making me mad on this show. Like, I don't know why I'm just now watching it. Like, just craziness, just craziness. If y'all haven't watched it, watch this show. It's really good. Tyler Perry got some good series going on. And then my sister was telling me last night that he's coming out with the show Brothers. So I think that's gonna be good, because you know they got sisters. So Brothers, I feel like that is gonna be really good. So I can't wait for that. But this show right here is good. If you want something like juicy, gonna keep you intrigued, that's the show. And make you mad at the same time, like why the heck you do that? That's the show. So let me get back to it.
Is not perfect.
Summer.
I know that.
Summer girl. Is that my summer girl? So guys, we just ate dinner. It's like, well, we didn't just eat dinner, but we already ate dinner. It's 9. Girls are washed up and oh, you just spit up all over me. Oh, just fed Summer. And you just messed my clothes up and your clothes up. Yeah. So yeah. The girls are ready for bed. Summer is getting ready to knock out. And I'm getting ready to get their clothes out for tomorrow, because we have a long day tomorrow. We're going to the zoo. We're going to the zoo. I'm so excited to just get out of the house, see some different scenery, just go have some fun. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next few vlogs. Got some interesting things coming up. Got the zoo. If you guys want to see our day at the zoo, make sure you check out tomorrow's vlog. But I'm getting to get you and your sister outfit out. I'm getting your outfit out. This is the outfit that I bought them. Like, I think I was like 5 or 6 months pregnant with what's her name? Summer. So I'm getting their clothes out, and they are about to be cute matching tomorrow. I'm so excited for them to wear this outfit. Y'all probably remember me showing you these outfits that I got them from Carter's when I was pregnant with Summer. Hey, you shut me in here, Sky. I'ma get you. Let me shut me in the closet. So I cannot wait to see them in their matching outfits tomorrow. Let me show y'all if you didn't see. We got these leggings and the jacket. So I don't know which pair of leggings I'm gonna let them wear. I'm gonna let Sean help me decide. I'm thinking the white matches better with the jacket. But of course, this color would get dirty quicker. So I don't know. But this jacket, like, look at the arms on the jacket. It's so cute. Yeah, I think I might let them wear the white leggings. But the gray goes with the unicorn right here. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog, but before I close out the vlog, you know I gotta leave y'all with some positivity. And I feel like this is something that we should always, like, constantly remind ourselves, like a note to ourselves. So here it goes. Dear self, when you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, you start looking better, you start to attract better, and it all starts within you. So I feel like that should be like a reminder. We should constantly remind ourselves to take time to take care of ourselves. And well, you guys are probably going to be seeing this after Mother's Day, but since it's Mother's Day, I just want to, you know, gear it towards the moms. And speaking to myself, like, take that time to take care of yourself. I know you're always, you know, giving yourself to your kids, making sure your kids are good, and that's good and everything, but at the same time, you need to make sure you are taking care of you, because when you're good, they will be good. So they need the best version of their mommy, and the only way they can have that is when you take care of you. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give me a big old thumbs up. Share this video. By you liking the video and commenting and stuff, it really helps my videos out. So definitely, you know, if you want to show me some love, support, share this video. Tell your friends and family if they enjoy watching vlogs, family vlogs, you know, share my channel with them. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, we will see you guys in our next biggity vlog. Yeah. Peace out, guys.
Peace, guys.